Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing UsaSuppli.net. So if you don't know what this is, that is basically a site or a company that sells discounted products, for example like earbuds or AirPods, and earrings or hoodies, and a lot of things that are discounted. So some of these are too good to be true. I don't know if it's legit or not. So let's head on over here to scamadvisor.com to see if it is legit. So as you can see, it is rated 51 out of 100 points. So that is relatively sort of a red flag here, since if they're legit, they should be above 80. So as you can see, the positive highlights of UsaSuppli.com is that this website offers payment methods which offer a money-back service, and online shopping features were detected using our shopping scam checklist, and we found a valid SSL certificate. So unfortunately, that's where the positive highlights end, and the negative highlights are the identity of the owner of the website is hidden on who is, and the Tranco rank or how much traffic is rather low, and negative reviews were detected for this website, and the age of this website is very young, so it's a relatively new website. So let's head over down here. So the entire view of it is that the identity of the owner is hidden. There may be a valid reason for it, but it raises a red flag. So this website was set up recently. As a result, we advise you to take time to check this site out before you interact with it. You can use our blog post, blah blah blah. So this is sort of a shady website, since if you look at their website, it is not a traditional website. It's sort of a shady website. For example, right here, they didn't even bother designing the website. So please use this website with caution. And yeah, that is it. That is the review on UsaSuppli.net. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.